让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back for Icrt Hakka on FM 100
ICRT。Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice
Pong。Hello， 你好，大家好，我是林哲修。Joseph Lin right here, along with Alice, teaching you this month the phrase how to take a picture， 拍照。
翕相，
翕相 that means to take a picture， 就是拍照。有的时候拍照，你看到朋友的这个群组里面啊，常常有一个人不在，就是因为他在拍照，所以就对他就不会在那个相片里面了，对不对？Sometimes when you take a lot of pictures and you realize, where am I? Because you're the one that's taking a picture, right? So let's put you in this situation, all right? 为什么上次出去玩的照片里都没有你啊？ How come we don't see you in the pictures that we took together?
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅？
上擺出去了嘅相片地杯。
上擺出去了嘅相片地杯。
都懵
都懵哦，都懵就是沒有你啊。You're not in it. There's no you. All right? How come you're not in the pictures that we took when we went out last time? 因為我是負責拍照的人啊。
是啊。
Because I'm the one in charge of taking the pictures.
因為我出去。
因為我出去。
負責翕相嘅人啊。
負責翕相嘅人啊。
因為我出去負責翕相嘅人啊。
負責就是負責，對不對？不是Fuji camera， 是負責。Right? That means I'm responsible of taking the picture. 翕相嘅人啊 That means I'm the person that's taking those pictures. 原來如此啊 Is that why?
原來係按用。
原來係按用哦，原來如此。這句話還蠻好用的耶，對不對？這常會用到的一個片語。原來如此。Oh, I see. That's why. All right. It's kind of sad, right? 有時候這個拍照的人真的就不會在照片裡面出現。
對呀。
然後
換人好了。
大群朋友會忘記，就說啊，有些好朋友還是會說啊，然後下一張我來照，然後輪流，對不對？好可憐啊！
不然下次帶自拍榜，大家都有。
That's why selfies are so popular because everyone wants to be in the picture. But let's review some of these terms. 我們來蕊幾個單字嘍。
好，
包括沒有你 ，There's no you。
都懵
都懵And then to be responsible 負責。
負責。
負責。And then finally, that's why 原來如此。
原來係按用。
原來係按用 Okay, that means that's a long sentence, but it really means, oh, so I get it. All right. And it's all about the phrase 拍照 to take a picture this month.
翕相
翕相 And there you have it. Remember to include all your friends next time. And that does for today's Icrt Hakka.
什麼大家？
單字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.